So here we are enhancing the pop to return the popped value. The current implementation is only deleting the beginning node. That doesn't help. We need to get the popped value in our hand. So how does this function return that value? Can I use the return mechanism? But the return mechanism is already used to return the new head. So how do I do? So I can always have output arguments. I can say int star plm, and I can have a comment that plm is used to return means return from the function, logically return the pop value. Okay, so I can have like that star plm, and I can while I'm returning I can or let me do here, I can set here star plm is equal to the p node data. Okay, so I simply set that. So now my pop is actually in a way returning two things. It's returning the head pointer, the top pointer if you want to call that, and it's returning the element also. So because it has to return two things, it's returning one of the things as a output argument. I take a pointer and I fill the value, I return it. So that's done. Now I need to modify the pop call. So I need to catch the element. So I need to say, let's say ampersand element, and I will add element here, and I will print pop returned %d element, and let's see. So stack list 2, and so this is an important change which we need to do if implementing using list. We need to return that thing. So let's see if it works. It compiles well, and you are able to see that that was a debug print that I deleted the node with 40, but now we are returning methodically to the calling function the value 40. So my logic can do something with the value. So I think now it looks like perfect, because pop is outputting or returning, logically returning the popped value also. So this now looks good.